My name is Vito Jacopelli and then I come from Bari, Puglia, which is in Italy. And then I've been making pizza since I was 8 years old. So this case of water, I still remember right here. My father used to put it under the counter because it was very short. So I was jumping on this case and then I was stretching the pizzas there. We were making 1,200 pizzas a day, always, every day. So I was there stretching the pizza. At that time I was making Bari style with the roller pin, stretching, fly the pizza. So I got so passionate. My life was waking up and open up the restaurant. My nonna was making the focaccia every morning in Bari. So I was waking up and then go to the restaurant because that was the only way to see and live my family, because we live in the restaurant basically. So lunch, dinner, breakfast was always in the restaurant. And I loved that. And then I grew up with this. When I was around 12, I told my father, Papà, voglio fare soltanto le pizze. Papà, I want to become a pizzaiolo, one of the best pizzaiolo. I want to bring this art to all over the world. I'm fourth generation from my mom's side and third generation pizza maker from my father's side. My grandparents from my mom's side, 1955, they moved from Palermo to Chicago. That's when they opened up the first pizza place, Nonna Maria. I mean, my life was two ways, pizza and pizza business. So I opened up my first pizza place in Italy when I was 16 years old. And then I moved to Los Angeles in 2012, 2013. I want to try, I want to do this, I want to go to United States and try to do the same thing that my grandparents did. Today, I did it. I opened up 2 pizza places in Los Angeles, in the city of Angels, one of the most challenging cities. I lived the American dream. As soon as I came to United States, I got voted the best pizza in the country for the first time, and that was the best feeling of my life. I say of myself, oh my God, I did it. The passion brought me where I am today. Pizza is an art, pizza is a life, pizza is history. With this art, I was able to visit all over the world, and then I did some franchising in Colombia, in Mexico, in Dubai. I was able to learn different styles. I was able to learn the New York style, the Chicago style, the Neapolitan style, the Bari style. I have this passion, and then now I love to give it to you, because watching other people doing the same thing that I grew up with, it's something that really, really amazing, very emotional to me.